Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS ZenFone Zoom, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Let's tap on it, and then we have to enter the settings which are in the left upper corner. Now we can tap either on this how's it called? On this icon or this one, but let's maybe start with this one because I actually will apply the grid lines which should appear after resetting, so it will be the evidence that the reset option worked. So let's enter the settings again, tap on the three dots icon, and here we've got restore default settings, so let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, the grid lines are not visible, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.